In the Arjikar hospital case, the Supreme Court affirmed that the CBI investigation into the rape and murder of a female trainee doctor, as well as financial irregularities at the hospital, will continue. The court has ordered the CBI to submit a progress report within 3 weeks. During the hearing, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta informed the court that the CBI had already filed a status report on the case. A bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, along with Justice G.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra, reviewed the report. The CBI also stated that a charge sheet against the accused, Sanjay Roy, has been submitted and accepted by the court. Additionally, the Supreme Court questioned the legal basis of West Bengal's recruitment of civilian volunteers in the police force, suggesting it could serve as a mean for political patronage. The court asked the state government to clarify the legal framework, recruitment process, eligibility criteria, verification methods, deployment, salary, and budget allocation in an affidavit by the next hearing. The Supreme Court has issued a new notice to the Uttar Pradesh government in response to a petition by Aam Aadmi Party leader Somnath Bharti. Bharti seeks to transfer a case against him related to alleged derogatory comments about the condition of hospitals and schools in Uttar Pradesh, from the ACJM court in Sultanpur to the Rouse Avenue court in Delhi. A bench comprising Justice M.M. Sudaresh and Arvind Kumar also notified the complaint and scheduled a hearing in 3 weeks. Notably, the Supreme Court had previously stayed proceedings in this case on July 3rd of last year. The Supreme Court delivered a significant ruling on Tuesday, offering major relief to disabled students. It clarified that a person cannot be denied admission to a medical college solely due to a 40% disability affecting their ability to speak or understand language. Under the current National Medical Council rules, students with disabilities above 40% are generally ineligible for admission to MBBS programs. However, the court emphasized that a 40% disability alone does not disqualify a student from medical admission. The court further stated that only if the Disability Assessment Board determines that a student cannot complete their studies due to their disability can admission be denied. This decision upholds the right to education for disabled students. The Supreme Court has denied a request for an interim stay on the ongoing Panchayat elections in Punjab. Petitioner approached a bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, along with Justice G.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra, alleging irregularities in the nomination process. The petitioner sought a stay on a Punjab-Haryana High Court order that allowed the elections to proceed. In response, the Chief Justice noted that while the appeal would be considered later, halting the voting process now would lead to confusion. Notably, the ongoing Panchayat elections in Punjab remain unaffected by this Supreme Court decision. On Tuesday, a justice clock has been installed outside the Supreme Court, which will provide information about pending cases. This clock will show how many cases are pending in the Supreme Court, how many are old, how many new cases were filed, and how many were settled. Justice clock has been installed through a national judicial data grid, which aims to increase awareness in the judicial field and promote various schemes. At the same time, information about the top district courts has been given on this clock, which shows the average settlement of cases older than 2 years, 2 to 5 years, and more than 10 years. Along with this, information about programs like legal aid and access to justice for citizens will also be available in it. At present, a total of 39 justice clocks have been installed in 25 high courts of the country, while the E-Committee has approved an amount of Rs 13 lakh for each clock. Watch our special programs and share the videos to stay updated with daily court proceedings.